Hydrogen spectrum, we are discussing Lyman series. In Lyman series, N1 is always equal to 1 and N2 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. And in second one, that is Balmer series, in this N1 is equal to 2 and N2 is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. And the second next one is Paschen series. In this Paschen series, that is N is equal to 3, it is 4, 5, 6 and so on. And in this equal to, if you write bracket series, in this bracket series N1 is equal to 4 and N2 is equal to 5, 6, 7 and so on. And in Fund series we are writing N1 is equal to always 5 and N2 is equal to 6, 7, 8 so on. And in Humphrey series N1 is equal to 6 and N2 is equal to 7, 8, 9, 7. And in this one a small variation also we have explained, that is this series we observed, that is first line, that is N1 is equal to 1, 2 in every line. If you say observe the Lyman series, if N1 is equal to 1, 2, N1 is equal to N2 is equal to 2, means a starting line, whichever is the starting line, a smallest line is considered as H alpha. The smallest line is considered as H alpha, then H beta, H gamma, H delta and so on. Similarly, that means H alpha, it is H alpha. H beta means N1 is equal to 2. N1 is always 1, N2 is equal to 3, that is called as H beta. N1 is equal to 1 and N2 is equal to 4 is called as H delta, alpha beta gamma, H gamma, like that. So Lyman series also, first line is alpha, second line is beta and third line gamma and fourth line delta and so on in every series. In Balmer series also it is a H alpha, first line, smallest line. You see this H beta, it is H gamma and it is H delta, like that. We are also observed, that is this is the lines are there. In this one, if you observe the Lyman series, where the regions are observed, question also coming for from where these regions are observed. So if you go through the regions, this region especially observed in ultraviolet region. Lyman series is observed in ultraviolet region and Balmer series is observed in visible region. Balmer series is observed in visible region, and Paschen, Bracket, Fund and other series are observed in IR region. These are observed in IR region. So these are the question also asking, that is Lyman series is observed in UV region, Balmer is observed in visible, and remaining Paschen, Bracket, Fund, Humphrey are observed in IR region. These are the some brief explanation property of hydrogen spectrum. You have must remember this, that is these are the some important points of hydrogen spectrum.